Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Get done some documents and they can't tell me. So they asked me to come and I just bought tickets like this. So today is the traveling back to Russia war.
You should see all the way to Russia and a lot of things about Russia.
Going for a week, but I'm so excited to go there as well to show you.
People will ask why I'm going. Just going for a weekend. It's very expensive. It's going to take twice of money. Anyway, I'm going month of July.
And for now, let's enjoy our breakfast. Can you order? This time, by the way, I'm feeling very light. I have only this bag, small, and that bag. That's it.
Food mesti ya pada. Ya sure. Ida follow na yun eh.
Now we reach airport on time. You have an hour. Otherwise, by now I would be very hungry. I'm definitely hungry. So now where's the entrance? There's so many Russians now. I don't know what's going on today, but everyone is so sweet and so nice. Right now I got my ticket and they're like, maybe sit